Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho CRM and custom fields, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation of Zoho CRM, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings menu, typically found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Look for the setup option and click on it to access the settings panel. In the setup menu, locate the data administration section. Click on Modules and Fields to view all your existing modules. Identify the custom fields you want to uninstall. To remove a custom field, select the module that contains it. Once in the module settings, find the Fields section. Locate the specific custom field you wish to delete. Hover over the custom field name to reveal the options. Click on the trash icon or the delete option next to the field. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the field. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or Confirm. After deleting the custom fields, return to the Settings menu. To uninstall Zoho CRM entirely, find the Subscription section in the Settings. Within the Subscription settings, look for Account Management options. Select Cancel Subscription to begin the process of uninstalling Zoho CRM. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Ensure that all important data is backed up before finalizing the uninstallation. Review any additional steps or confirmations needed to complete the process. Finally, log out of your Zoho CRM account to finish the uninstallation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.